God. So what's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get a screen recording for your assist touch. So the first thing you need to do is of course turn on your assist touch. Oh god damn it! So the first step is to go to settings, and once you're in the settings, you search up assistive touch, and then you turn it on. Yeah. Turn on if like you have it off, because on means open and like off means close. So like it's gonna be this thing here. Or you can also anyway. So anyways, you turn it on. Once you've done that, gotta search I don't know, something like tickets, something with good. Shit, I forgot to spell it. Can you guys hear me? Is it? No, I can't. God damn it. Oh, it's right here. Yes. Control center. So yes, once you're in this cocking center, you have to take in the axis with an S, make it green, turn this off, you're never gonna see it again. So make it green, and underneath that you have the what is it called again? You have the customize controls. You click on that, and as you can see here, I have it on. As you can see here, it will be down here. A lot of customization. So, crap. My ears are wet. Anyway, so yeah, you just put the add button right here, and it's gonna be here. As you can see down there, if I remove this, you can't see it. And then if I hit it again, it's right there. Yeah. So anyways, crap. Never mind. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's my first video, so like if you like to like video, so like subscribe guys, please. Crap.